Hello! Murang laptop ba ang hanap nyo? Tara, samahan nyo ako dito sa Laptop Factory sa Ayala Mall's Fairview Terraces. Laptop Factory is a store that offers laptops and accessories from different brands from budget, mid-range to high-end at the best prices. Here are just some of the brands in their store. Predator, ROG or Republic of Gamers, Asus, Mechanic, MSI, Acer, HP, Victus, Lenovo. Alam nyo, suki na ako dito as in since magbukas sila ng branch sa Gilmore, doon na kami bumibili ng laptop ng anak ko. So why Laptop Factory? Because their prices are cheaper than other stores and their products are guaranteed authentic. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Papakita ko sa inyo ang mga discounts na pwede nyong ma-avail dito sa Laptop Factory, Ayala Mall's Fairview Terraces. Okay guys, for example, itong Lenovo LOQ laptop from 48,995, 39,999 na lang siya. Grabe. HP laptop 14S from 24,000, 20,000 na lang siya. Acer Travelmate from 31,000, 29,000 na lang siya. Sa Laptop Factory, everything is on a discount, and hindi lang discount. They also give away freebies like free 8GB RAM, free Microsoft OS, free Windows, and a whole lot more. Ito naman, katulad ng laptop ng anak ko, tong Acer Nitro V from 62,999, 49,995 na lang. Tapos may mga ano pa, may mga freebies, ayan o. Subukan na din ang after-sales support and service nila. Madali kausap ang staff and hindi intimidating. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Punta na kayo dito sa Laptop Factory sa Ayala Mall's Fairview Terraces.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Mama, too.
Thank you, Mommy!
Thank you, Mommy.